Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can use Seller to make a lot of money, just like I did. I actually made 1 million naira selling digital products on Seller for free without even getting their pro account, only on their starter account. And even before that time, I already started making money without their starter account. I just opened it for free and then I started selling my data products. So today I'm taking you step by step how to create this product, how to get the exact product that the market is looking for, how to validate this product, and how to post it, how to market it, how to sell it, and how to launch it on Seller for free and start making money from it. So I'm going to show you on my laptop and let's go. Alright, so now we are in ChatGPT and I already prompted ChatGPT. So if you want to learn prompt engineering, just comment prompt on the comment section. And I'm going to teach you step by step how to prompt any AI tool from Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, how to get the best results from them. So this is a prompt I already gave Claude. I told you to write everything for a beginner copywriter, and I told him that I want the images, I want everything complete. And now we are going to see what Claude is going to create for us. So now let's go. All right. So it's currently creating. If you want anything, if you want it to create anything for you, it's going to create anything and everything for you step by step. You just need to prompt it the right way. So now it's already creating. Said perfect. Now I understand what you want. Now let's go. Said copywriting made simple. Subtitle: the complete beginner blueprint to writing words that sell, get clients, and make money online. How to use this guide. Now it already said this is not something to practice and apply. This is something to practice and apply. Each section includes real examples, blah blah blah, all of that. So it started from module one, copyright. What is copywriting? Then now it's going module two, module three, module four, module five, six, seven, eight, and it even gave bonus. Ready to use templates. How to result with plan with pain. So it already gave everything now. So it can actually turn this into a PDF design, which is ready to sell, into a swipe file or a template, and it can actually help you launch and sell it. But now we are going to be creating a PDF with this. We are going to be creating by ourselves. So all we just have to do is to copy. Now, when we copy, you go to your Google Docs on your phone or on your system. Now, I already have my Google Docs here. If you see, this is my Google Docs. So I'm going to change this to copywriting. All right, so I'm going to change that to copywriting. So now this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to, so I'm going to paste everything that I copied there. I'm going to paste it on Google Docs. So after, so you see, it's actually everything here. So if you want this, I can. So we're going to remove this one, these lines, all of these lines. We actually like going to delete them, and let's see what we have done. So this is it now. So if you actually have a bonus template, let's say we created a template with Claude, or we already created a template with ChatGPT, you can come and put it here, and let's see everything that we have written. So all you just have to do to this is actually to edit it. You must edit. You must check where you can put in what you know. If you have an experience, you can check and put in what you know in, let's say module one, module two. So all of this is very important that you put in your own, because it is psychology. We want them to connect to what you are doing. That is the main aim of creating. So even when AI helps you, you have to refine it with your human knowledge. So it is very, very important that you do all these things to make whatever product you are currently creating very, very good. So now I'm trying to edit so it won't look like we just did rubbish. Let's go. So this is the beginning. I'm gonna delete all of these, delete these. These are the things that ChatGPT actually added. Most of the times it add things like this. So I'm gonna delete all of this. So you just make sure that you edit. I do not want to waste much of our time. Alright, so now we are done editing everything where possible. So what we are gonna do, I think I should change this to beginner copywriting guide. Beginner copywriting. Let's see. Beginner beginner copywriting guide and change this to capital letter. Alright, so now we already have our product ready. What we have to do right now is now to export our file. So what I'm gonna do is to export this. So if it's your phone, it is also very simple. Still do the same thing. You see a three dash at your right, at the top of your phone by the right, and then you can download. If you go to download, but on your phone you will see share and export. But when you are using your laptop, go to download and you see you can download as PDF documents, Microsoft, whatever. So I'm going to be downloading as a PDF. Now we are going to be downloading as a PDF. So you can actually add more images. You can go to Google. Now it has downloaded. That's just it. So let's open our file and see what we did. All right, this is so amazing. Trust me, this is so amazing. So if I was to calm down and doing more, it will come out much more better. But you should edit whatever you are doing. So it is very important that you edit whatever you are doing. And we have think about 9 pages. Yeah, we have about 9 pages in total. So now what we are going to be doing next is to now go to Seller. Now, this is where you would be hosting your product. You can host on Seller or you can host on Gumroad. For Seller, I created a new account for the purpose of YouTube. So now this is a new account that I just created, still using my name, and this account has two products. All sales is zero and all customer is seven. So we are using it for a free, we're using it for free product. So what you're gonna do is to log in on Seller or sign up, go to the creators side on Seller and not affiliate or customer. So make sure you go to the creators side. If you see I'm on creators profile. There's affiliate profile and there's also customer profile. So now I'm here and I want to click on this. So when I clicked on the top dashes, I'm seeing product here. So I'm going to click on product. I'm going to click on product. Um, so you see it says all products, add product, featured product. So I'm going to be clicking on add product. If you want to make a digital product, you see you have digital product, ticket masterclass, service, subscription, courses, bookings. These are things that are here and you can put. So but we are actually creating a digital product. We're not putting a service. Now, if you want to learn how to create templates, printables, swipe files, I'm going to be making more videos on that as time goes on. So now the first thing to do is to click on your image. You need an image for this. So if you put in your image, you can actually tell ChatGPT to create an image for you. Then next thing you do is to put the name of your product. So let's say the name of our product is beginner copyright. Then let's say the price of the sale is 5,000 naira. Then let's say by default set your price on local currency or whatever currency it is. So you can actually set up your currency page. But for now we'll be using Nigerian naira. So you put 4,000, then they say show a strike price. So try to show a strike price and tell people that, oh, this was actually supposed to be sold for 10,000 naira. Then you can put it there. So it's gonna strike this price out for you. That you are selling for 10,000 naira normally, but for now you'll be selling for 4,999 naira. Now you can actually put in whatever you want to say. I'd say maybe this digital product is a is the best. Okay, book this book is the best book you could ever read read to make you your first 1 million naira. And that's just it. So it will tell you to categorize your products, but it's optional. If you want to categorize your product, you can just check here and put it. You can say wealth and finance, business, marketing and sales. It's a copywriting book, so I think it's a marketing and sales ebook. Then subcategories. If you want to also put in subcategories, you can write copywriting. Then this product has multiple variants like packages, size, colors. Not really, they do not. So so is this a digital product? Yes. Do you want to do it on pre-order? No, we do not want to do it on pre-order. So you can set a category for the product. Um this is actually empty, so there's only for it. So do you want this file to be a downloadable file or a read-only PDF file? Personally, for me, I do mine to be a read-only PDF file, except it's a free product. That is when I make it a downloadable file. So you can actually do a read-only PDF file like I do whenever I sell my product, so that people will not be able to share your product to other persons, because you put money and you put effort. So it will not be nice. So that is why you should make yours a read-only PDF file. And that is it. So once you change it, it's wrong. So this is all what so this is all that you're gonna do. So after everything, you can, after uploading your image, all of that, blah 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 blah. You want to give buyers access to your file. It is very important. But if you do not, you can just automatically direct them to a URL where you hosted your product. So I'm gonna give buyers access to the file. So it is a read only. Oh, now I see why. So it is a read only product. So let's go. Allow customers view this file only on Seller mobile app. No, I want them to view it on Google Drive. So I'll go and host it on Google Drive and come and put the link here. Or let's just no. That's what I want to do. I want to host that product on Google Drive. So now, for instance, I want to. So let's look for file library. So now we're in file libraries and we want to upload our file. So let's upload right now. To really show you what it supports. It supports PDF format, EPUB format, and the max should be 10 MB. So beginner copy guide is here. So here it is, and I'll open it. So I've put it now. It's going to load. It's uploading, and we are done. It has been uploaded successfully. So I have 3 free products here that I am going to be giving out. So, but this is not a free product. We're selling this for, let's say, 4,000 naira. So, and we are done. So I'm supposed to upload this select file, and it's going to upload right now. So it has uploaded, and so, for instance, if you want to just, I'll probably take video course or something, you want them to, as time goes on, you want them to access it only on Seller, then you can do it. It is 100% possible. I have some courses I bought, they did not allow me download it. They just only allowed me logging into Seller, go to the customer dashboard, and then I was able to access the videos here on Seller. So that's how you can do it. And then we can what? Click on create product. But I'm not creating this product because I'm just doing this for the sake of this YouTube video. So you can click on create product. So this is how you can do it. And if you want to learn how to make sales, how to drive sales to your digital product, and you want a video on that, just comment the word sales on the comment section. Now run a video on how you can do it, on how I made over 1 million naira selling digital product on Seller here. So this is how you do it, and this is how you can make as much as what you want using faceless AI videos or whatever you want. So this is how you can do it. And do not forget, we have a free course on how to start digital marketing. It's on the description. And we also have a free course on how to make sales, how to drive sales.